United States Department of Agriculture logo. Parmesan zucchini chips. Recipe for children ages 6 through 18. Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. This recipe makes 6 servings, takes 20 minutes to prep, and 20 minutes to cook. Let's get started. Wash your hands for 20 seconds using soap and water. Lather hands and rinse off soap. Use a paper towel to dry hands. Turn on the oven and preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Get out a baking sheet, place piece of parchment paper on top, and spray with non-stick cooking spray. In a small bowl, combine a cup of whole wheat breadcrumbs, 2 1/4 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, and 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. Stir. Wash zucchini and dry with a paper towel. Place zucchini on a cutting board. Cut into 1/4-inch rounds. Place zucchini rounds into a large-sized bowl. Add a 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of reduced-fat mayonnaise to the large bowl with the zucchini rounds. Stir. Pour the prepared breadcrumb mixture into the bowl containing the mixed zucchini and mayonnaise. Place the coated zucchini rounds onto the baking sheet. Ensure the zucchini are evenly spaced on the sheet. Place the baking sheet in the preheated oven. Bake for 20 minutes. Check the temperature. The internal temperature should be 140 degrees Fahrenheit or higher. Serve 3/4 cup. The CACFP crediting for Parmesan zucchini chips for children ages 6 through 18 is as follows. The serving size is a 3/4 cup. It provides 3/4 cup vegetable and 3/4 ounce equivalent grains. The source is the Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. United States Department of Agriculture bumper. USDA is an equal opportunity provider, employer, and lender. See complete recipe and more at www.fns.usda.gov/team-nutrition-recipes. QR code is shown with instructions to scan the QR code with your mobile device.